Alright, what's going on YouTube? So as you can see, I'm under the truck. We are installing a new fuel sending unit. One of these. Put the link down in the description. So let's get started. First you're going to need a 15mm socket with a long extension. Alright, so you want to take off your inlet, your outlet, that connector. This 15mm nut is one strap, and there's another one right under there. You want to set up 2 floor jacks. Got my other one over there, and use that to lower the tank because it's pretty heavy. Alright, so I'm up in here. These 2 hoses you see is where you fill it up. So you want to probably like a 5/16 or whatever. Take these 2 hoses off as well. Dirty ass strainer, the sending unit. Not sure what exactly is wrong. I think this potentiometer might be worn out. It's probably what it is, because the wiring looks fine. Here's a new one. Alright guys, so this is a setup. 2 floor jacks. Jack it up. And then up in here. Okay. Alright, right there, where that laser pointer is, there you go, better view, is your fuel tank strap. So that is the most difficult part of this install, is lining the pin up in there. But once you got that in there, you can see that is the alignment part right there where the laser's at. Once you got that in, you just tighten up the bolt right there, and we're done. And of course, the other strap. Alright guys, so finally got the other strap in. Just gonna tighten up the bolt. It's getting kind of dark here. Connect our inlet and outlet, and the hose for the filler or fill up neck, and that's it. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've been test driving the rig for a little bit, and as you can see, I mean, we're getting a reading now. We got about 3/4 of a tank, which is about where the tank was when I took it off. So I hope you guys, if I can help someone out, maybe that's doing the same thing or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe. It really helps out to grow the channel out. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a couple. I want this thing focused, man.